Hello, we are going to make this gauge. It's a speed indicator. The speed indicator is made in Fusion 360. So I'm gonna show you how it's built and what components we all have in there. So let's go to Fusion. Here we have Fusion. This is the gauge. As you can see, it's almost identical with a nice USB-C in the back. It's made with a bezel, so you can, just like the original, screw the glass in and the plate. Let's get the back off, like this, so you can see how all parts are in there. You can see the USB-C is in there on the top. We have the X27-168 stepper motor in there, and we made some parts that we can do more than 360. It's very important to do the 360 mod, what I will explain later on the stepper motor. And let's get the cover off like this. See here. Here you can see how I did it. I make a spiral with with a lock in it, so that you get to the first point and the last point, and that's around 400 degrees. So this is how it's built, and it's quite easy. Some parts, the hardware you need to build this, I can show you. Then we have to go to another screen. Let me see. Here are the parts. As you can see, stepper motor, 2 long screws on 0.2, and we have 3 millimeters countersunk screws, and here we have the USB 3 connector, what I'm going to show you later where you can get them. They are very cheap, and to get them on eBay or on AliExpress. Now, how do we print it? First, I have a print file. When you put it in the slicer, you have to make it with a 0.2 or 0.25. Here on 0.50, on layer height, you need to make a color change. Color change from first you print white, then you make it to black, and when you cut to, and you can finish it completely in black. But very important to put it on a 1/10 of a layer height, like this. These are the settings. And you can also have made the files you have to print in 0.25 nozzle also in the name. You see it here, 0.10 and with the 25 nozzle in my case, but the 20 is also very good. So then you can print the whole thing, put it together, and if there's any questions, don't worry, just ask. And how it's going to look. I'm going to show you in a bit. There it is. I put it in my cockpit already, and the rest of the gauges will come later. All these files are also coming on the Discord. Let me get this one out. Here you can see the USB-C and the details on it. And also the files to make the panel. It's also coming here. So I hope you enjoyed it, and nice to see your project going. Thank you.